Hey guys, as you can tell, it's snowing in Mobile. And, well, it's kind of not accumulated yet, but as you can tell, it's starting to accumulate. My dog sure did not like it. This thing it hadn't snowed in Mobile since, like, before I was born. No, I'm not kidding. Not kidding at all. Let's just hope it accumulates and I can make some kind of snow thing like a snowman or a snowball or a snow angel. That's all I got to say for now. Bye.